Hi everybody, I'm Al. Today I wanted to show you how our EGW Rear Bag Rider is installed. Our Rear Bag Rider is CNC machined out of Delrin and made to fit an AR with an A2 style stock. It won't fit an AR with any other style stock. To do this job, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and a 5/32 Allen key. I went ahead and removed the bottom butt plate screw and the sling loop. Now I'm ready to install the EGW Rear Bag Rider. When you get this from us, it'll come pre-assembled with the insert and the screw already installed. So just make sure that it's a little bit loosened up, and let's attach it to our stock. The insert will slide right into the slot on the bottom of the stock here, so let's pop that together. Next, I'll take my Allen key, and I'll put it in the hole in the back here, wiggle it around a bit just to make sure that the threads are lined up before I insert the screw. Next, I'll take my butt plate screw, slide it in, and start to thread it in.
The next day.
Now that that screw's tight, it's time to tighten up the bottom with our 5/32 Allen key. Check to make sure that the fitment is nice and tight and snug, and you're good to go. I want to thank everybody for taking a moment to watch our videos. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up button. If you have a question or comment, hit the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe.
For excitement.
Now I'm ready to put the...
Dingus on the...
Now I'm ready to put the... Now I keep thinking dingus.